Friends, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about cd commands in Linux. Cd commands is basically used to change directory. Let's say if you are working in any directory and if you'd like to move from your present working directory or current working directory to some other directory in Unix or Linux, then cd command can be used. Yeah. So let's try to explore how basically cd commands works with different options. So here, first of all, I'm going to press Ctrl Alt T to open terminal. So here you can see I have opened terminal. Let me increase the size so that should be visible. Yeah. So here, first of all, I'm going to type pwd, which is nothing but the present working directory that already we have seen in the previous video tutorial. If I press enter, then here you can see pw is showing currently I am in the my home directory, that is nothing but the /home/kkjava tutorials, right? Let's say and this tilde sign is, this is called tilde or tilde sign, which represents I am under the current working directory, right? Whenever you see this sign, tilde sign, that means you have to understand you are in current current home directory, right? Your working directory is the current home directory. Yeah, tilde sign. Now let's say I would like to, let's say, go into my root directory. So you have to write cd and then forward slash, right? If you press enter, then if I check pwd, then this is showing I am in the root directory, right? So when I say root directory, then if you go to the inside of files and if I go to the others, and here this is root directory, right? Forward slash always represents in Lex your root directory. If I go inside that, then these are the files and folders are available in this directory. So if I do ls, which is basically list all the this will list all the basically directory as well as files available in the root directory. So here you can see whatever directories as well as files you see here, all are listed in the here terminal, right? So currently we are in basically a root directory. Now let's say I would like to go into my home directory, then directly you may use cd or you may use cd tilde sign, right? So if I press enter, then here you can see again it is showing tilde sign or tilde sign, that is showing I'm in basically /home/kkjava tutorials. If I do pwd, then here you can see I'm in my home directory. Let me clear the terminal, right? So here you have seen a few of the variations of cd command. Now currently I'm in my basically home directory. If I do pwd, then here you can see it is showing home directory. Now next command I'm going to show you, let's say if you want to go one directory above, or you can say if you want to go in parent directory, right? So currently I'm in home/kkjava tutorial, so parent directory would be home. So how we can go to the parent directory? So you have to do cd, then a space, and twice you have to type period, and once you press enter, and if here you can see I am in command prompt itself, you can see /home. If you type pwd, then it is showing currently I'm in /home. So just we have moved one directory above, or you can say in parent directory, right? So again I'm going to move in my home directory by typing cd or cd space tilde, and here if I type pwd, then it is showing I'm under the home/kkjava tutorials, right? So this is my basically home directory. Let me clear the terminal. Now let's see some few more options. Now I'm in my basically home directory. If I do ls to list all the directories as well files, then here you can see all the basically directories listed in the blue color and all the files which is basically showing in the white color. Now let's say I would like to go one of the basically directory within my home directory itself. Then you have a couple of options. Either you can use relative path or absolute path. So let's say I would like to go in the music, right? So what you can do, cd, and then you can see music, right? So this is called relative path. As I'm already in the home/kk Java tutorial, so you don't need to type my home directory manually. So right, so directly I can do cd music and I can reach into the music directory, right? So let me go to the home directory again, and here you can see I'm in home directory. Then what is absolute path? Absolute path is nothing but like this, complete path, just right from the beginning. So I do, let's say again I want to go to the music, then instead of typing the relative path, if I could type absolute path, that is nothing but slash home slash kk Java tutorials slash music. Guys, one thing you have to keep in mind when you are working in Linux, then Linux is always case sensitive. Even file names are also, commands as well as file names are case sensitive. If you type music in a small case, right, even you are typing in a small case, then file not found error will get, right? So if I press enter, then here you can see I reach to the music directory, right? So here I have typed the absolute path, but here I have typed relative path. Means I was already in kk home and underscore home hyphen, oh sorry, home slash forward slash kk Java tutorials. I was already there, so just you need to type the relative path, right? So now let me clear the term. Now last but not the least, let me go to the basically home directory. So here I went to home directory, tilde sign, it is representing I'm in home directory. Let's say now, let's say I how would like to move, let's say I have a directory inside the directory, then how we can move? So it's very simple, just you have to type cd, then I'm typing music. Inside the music I have English directory, so just you have to type E and press tab, right? And if I press enter, then here you can see you can even navigate directly within the directory, right, in one shot. Let me jump to the again working directory, my home directory itself. So by using cd or cd tilde command, you can move into your home directory, right? Now here if I do ls in my home directory, then here you can see some of the files, some of the directory is having a space, right? Now how we can move into the directory which has some space, right? That is a little tricky in Unix. So I will type cd, and let's say there is a personal docs, there is a directory is called personal doc with some space, right? So I type personal and per, and then just I'm pressing tab, then this is showing if you have a directory with some space, a directory name with some space, then you have to type there is a personal docs, and between that there is a space, so you have to type cd, then first word, that is nothing but personal, then you have to type the backward slash and docs and then forward slash, and if you press enter, then you will be inside the personal doc, right? Again I'm going to jump into my working home directory. Let's say if you try to do like cd, and if you try to like this personal personal docs, something like that, then here you can see saying that too many arguments, you will be not able to navigate into this directory. You have another option as well, right? So another option, here you can write cd, and then in double quotes you can write personal docs, right? Then also you can navigate into the directory which is having some space, right? So a couple of ways you can navigate inside the directory which is having space, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.